여기에 심카드가 다 모여있다는데 맞네. 이것저것 다 있네. Good to see you again.
How are you?
Good.
Finally.
Yeah. How was the flight?
Everything okay? Everything fine.
This way.
SIM card for 10 days.
I think you need a passport. I think it's easier.
Yeah, okay. Anyway.
보이스콜은 안 들어가 있죠?
네.
그러면 그냥 그 뭐더라?
받는 전화는 무료인데
아,
받는 전화 필요하시면
뭐 카카오톡이나 뭐 다른 걸로 하든지 해도 되는 거잖아요. So it doesn't include the voice call. So you need to go make a phone call through like a KakaoTalk or WhatsApp or something like that.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. We are in August and date.
Video. Now you got the passport.
Yes, finally.
Woo! Let's go to the central. Yeah, that's the.
This one, right?
Yeah, I think so. Let me see. Yeah, it is.
So let's do it. Yay! First step.
Here.
Oh, the 30 meter.
Yeah, already.
Hover. Zoom out. Follow.
Yes, this is the one.
Follow.
Okay.
Standard. Follow.
Oh,
Yeah.
you go. You go first, and I will follow.
Have to be attached.
Okay. I just like to take a picture with it. Oh,
That was fun.
that's the highway we took earlier.
Oh, okay. I need to look at the map to see it from above. Fine with this rain.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? So, let's go?
Yep.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, it's better. Not seriously. Acha! Look at that, the water on the top of it.
Yeah. Okay. I'll stop a bit.
Not sure. It seems like waterproof or something.
No, it's not waterproof. Not even that one because it's
That way.
yeah.
That's how you do it. Okay.
But the zip is not waterproof.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Very young, maybe 12 years old or something.
Huh?
And you try to pedal that no.
Now we got sunny.
Right?
Oh no.
And the quick step, and then you jump from the... That was the only time I stepped from the beginning.
Woo. Woo. Video. Let's go. No. We can go. Oh, you're not using the inner.
No. Oh. But I have some limitations here. Like I cannot use the last one,
Uh-huh.
otherwise it's gonna jump to the inner itself. Yeah.
How? Where is it? The
The inner.
no, yeah, the controller.
There's no.
No? How come?
Manually.
Wow! No way! How come? Interesting. Woohoo!
And here it is, the second one. Oh, I think it's there.
You mean the GoPro? Ah, yeah.
Second one. Let's see. It's like.
Okay.
Ta-da! Yeah! Got two already. Saving two for next week. I only have to do, I don't know how many more. Super. Oh, I got it.
So we're gonna do it this one too today on the way to the BB5.
Oh, okay.
And then the other, if we ride it along the Han River tonight, then we can clear this one too.
Wow. How many are they?
I didn't even count it yet.
No, it doesn't say. Oh, oh, I have to study this. More or less, well, here I see 35, but normally it's 20 something.
Yeah, 20 something.
10,
Oh, we are getting into the Seoul. Doesn't look like a city, right? You can buy the border. Here? Gatorade.
They are not sponsoring me, but I love Gatorade. Yeah? Let's count. I don't want. And then I said, so I have to visit.
Shortly.
Let's get four.
Meet up place too. Yeah, go straight. The stamp station on your left. Here. Oh yeah, this is all. Yeah, that is it. Oh, what's up? Yeah, I mean that's famous for the family. Like, yep. You go first and I will take a video. this is the way that you can go through all the way down to Busan. Let's go. Now you are in the center of Seoul.
Whoa! See?
Go straight. 안녕하세요. 오다가 또 비가 와가지고. He's the one.
I'm sweating.
It's okay, no problem. Nice to meet you.
How are you? Nice to meet you too.
You want some water?
Oh no, I just had my
네.
the rest of my day.
샘플로 어떤 게 패턴이 있는지도 보여주고 이번에 만들 때는 이런 것도 같이 한다고 하더라고요. 그 적은 없거든요.
이게 비슷하구나.
네. 그래서 원단이 보니까 이런 거 안에 내장으로 들어가는 것도 좀 있는 것 같더라고요. 저거는 그냥 이거 하나거든요.
이게 저기 바로셀로나에서 만든 거고.
네, 맞아요.
꽤 많이 들어갔네요. 예전 거하고 다르구나.
그렇죠. 헬멧 들어가도 충분히 남더라고요. 5.
And how heavy is it?
얼마나 무겁냐고. 몇 킬로 정도?
Next version is folding.
아,
Yeah.
그 저번에 보여주셨던 그거요?
네. About
7.6.
yeah.
They were not so popular, and now it's everywhere.
So,
More with this heat,
Ah.
because people don't want to get to work
아,
like
so
sweating.
처음에는 원래 바르셀로나에서도 그렇게 인기가 많지 않아.
I sold loads of bags for Ibram. Yeah. So I made an adapter that I couldn't find this to click here. So there's an adapter that the frame, the aluminum part goes into here, and then it's narrower here, and then it's a steel pin that goes inside the tube, and a plastic part that clicks here.
아,
So it's clicked from behind, so you have all the space for the battery, and then you have the whole frame like this one. But then the frame, the brace is not the same. So
Ah.
it's different because it's lower and wider, and here it's open because of the
Ah.
battery.
아,
Okay.
It's until here and until here.
아.
I have a video on YouTube that I'm assembling the bag.
Ah, I've seen it.
That's your style.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and also on the Sunday, as I planned, we're gonna visit another shop of him.
Okay.
Yeah, in BB5 East.
아 서울에 계속 있어요.
아, 그 일요일까지.
아.
일요일 날은 제가 BB5 East 한번 데려가려고, 보여주려고. 여기도 하시는 샵이라고.
Yeah.
Go for the dinner, maybe.
All right.
This is raw fish.